the template that you want. This is plan view, feet and inches. Okay, so that's what that is. Okay. Then I'm going to go to File. You guys are going to pull up the file that was the Workbench and open that. I've already got one right here. I'm going to open that. Oh, I don't want to do that. Let's try this one more time. Open that. Open. No. And I've already tripled the size of this, so I made a copy of it twice and just put it off to the side. You want to make a copy of one without the dimensions and then copy it again so that's what you have. And just select, I'm going to go ahead and do select all, but you just want to select 3 of those and copy them. Okay? And then you're going to open a new file, save this, so that you have this workspace, this plan view workspace. And you're just going to paste inside of that. So you're going to go to edit, paste in place, and there you have those 3 that are set out for you. And it's a top view right now. I'm just going to move these around a little bit. Whoops, I got to break these up. Click out of that because they got sent as a group. So I'm just going to take this, I'm going to move it up here. Let's zoom out a little bit. Move it up here. I'm going to move this one over. I'm going to move this one over a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and select both of these together. So that one and that one. And I'm going to orbit the side of this one. And I'm going to take the rotate tool. I'm going to grab it by a corner here. And I'm going to rotate that down 90 degrees. Now I'm real close to this one right here, but that shouldn't matter to us too much. Yeah, well, let's go ahead and move it out of the way. Okay. So let's go back to the top view. All right. So now I have a front view and I have the top view in my orthographic projection. I need to turn this one so that it's 90 degrees too. So I'm just going to orbit that, take my, let's just select it, take my rotate tool again. Let's go that way with it. Okay. And let's just move it down so it's pretty much on the same plane. I don't think it matters that much. And let's go back to the top view. Okay. So there I have the top view, I've got the front view, and I've got the side view. But you can see here where we still have some three-dimensionality because we can see the legs sticking out down there hitting the ground. We can see the inside of that. And we really don't want that. We want all two-dimension faces there. So we're going to go to Camera. And under Camera, you can see where there's a check next to Perspective. So we're still getting a perspective view of those sides. We want parallel projection. So we're going to click on that. And you can see where the three-dimensionality has gone away. We just have two-dimensional views right now. Let's go ahead and zoom in on those a little bit. I'm going to leave 4 inches in between as opposed to 1 inch because I don't think you guys will have enough space if you're just doing 1 inch in between. So I'm going to take my guide tool, I'll click on that, I'm going to go over 4 inches. I'm going to go up 4 inches. I'm going to come back this way 4 inches and it touches that. I'm just going to go ahead and put those there. Kind of a nice double check that lets you know that those are there. And let's just grab this and we're going to snap that to that corner. That one's already in the corner. We're going to take this and snap that to that corner. And then you have, there you have them lined up. Let's go ahead and delete the guides. So I'm just going to go to delete guides. Now you have an orthographic projection of the bench. All you have to do now is dimension it and get the dimensions in here, in between where they belong. Okay. The one problem that you're going to have probably is dimensioning this handhold right here, and I think you're going to have to go in there and actually draw a straight line that you can actually attach the dimension line to. Otherwise, you won't get it to attach to the right spot. And just go ahead and take your and pull that down in between. Okay. And come back and erase the line afterwards. And then you're just going to go ahead and dimension the sides the way you would with your orthographic projection. And you've got here where it's nice and easy and you get a nice clean look on everything. And that's the way that should look when you're done. Questions? Okay? That's all you're doing. It should be a nice, quick, easy thing since you've already modeled it. Okay? All right. Yeah. Same thing that, just put your name and hour in 3D text. I don't need a title block on it. The same way you've been doing your other sketch.